Our top story at the moment, social activist Teesta Setalvad and her husband Javed Anand are facing imminent arrest. This after Gujarat High Court rejected their anticipatory bail in a case related to the alleged misappropriation of funds meant for riot victims. In fact, they are accused of misusing the funds to the tune of 1.51 crore rupees that were collected on behalf of riot victims. Gujarat police has reached Teesta Setalvad's house in Mumbai. And Setalvad is accused of misusing funds meant for families of the Gulbarg Society riot victims. Setalvad, who has been championing the cause of victims of 2002 Gujarat riots and others, contended that the case was filed against her with political motives and she has not misused the funds.
સામે તેમને આગોતરા જામીન મળે તો રાજ્ય સરકારને કોઈ વાંધા સરખું નથી.
વાત કરવામાં આવે સાહેબ કે આ જે કેસ છે તેમાં જે તથ્યો બહાર આવ્યા છે કે ઘણા શોપિંગ અને ડિસ્ટર્બિંગ છે જે ગુજરાત હાઈકોર્ટે નોંધ્યું છે એવા કયા તથ્યો બહાર આવ્યા છે
જ્યારે સામાજિક સંસ્થાઓ ફંડનો દુરુપયોગ કરે, સામાજિક અને સેવાની સંસ્થાઓ એનજીઓ આ ફંડ પોતાના હેતુ માટે વાપરે, જે હેતુ માટે આ ફંડ મળ્યા હોય તે ફંડનો ઉપયોગ ન થાય તેવા સંજોગોમાં નામદાર હાઈકોર્ટે નોંધ્યું છે કે આ લોકોનો વિશ્વાસ ડગાવી દે તેવી પરિસ્થિતિ છે અને તે ન થવી જોઈએ.
વિશ્વભરમાંથી આ રીતે દાન આવતું હોય છે અને આ જે દાન આવતું હોય છે તે આપવા માટે લોકો તૈયાર હોય છે ત્યારે રમખાણ પીડિતોને આ પ્રકારનું જે દાન આવતું હોય છે તે પહોંચતું નથી. આ બાબતે જે ગુજરાત હાઈકોર્ટે અવલોકન કર્યા છે.
નામદાર હાઈકોર્ટે ઓવરઓલ અવલોકનો કરીને એવું જણાવ્યું છે કે આ કેસમાં જે ફંડનો જે સાચા હેતુ માટે ઉપયોગ થવો જોઈએ તે થયો હોય તેવું જણાતું નથી. થેન્ક યુ.
કોના આગોતરા જામીન મંજૂર થયા, કોના કેન્સલ થયા અને શું શું કારણો આપ્યા છે?
Mumbai Bureau Chief Sahil Joshi is now joining us with more details. Sahil, what options does Teesta Setalvad have at the moment?
The only option left to Teesta Setalvad is to approach higher court, and that is Supreme Court, because she has already exhausted her option in Gujarat. That is, she had approached Sessions Court last year, and last year in March, the Sessions Court had already rejected her pre-arrest bail application. Then, in obvious course, she approached Gujarat High Court, and even Gujarat High Court today has now rejected her anticipatory bail application. So now the only course left to her is to approach Supreme Court, and from there she can try to get some relief in this particular case. Now what happened in High Court is that the prosecution lawyer Mahesh Jethmalani, senior advocate, had put before the court the statements of Setalvad's former accountant Rais Khan, and he accused her and others of misusing the funds. So after that, the court finally decided not to give her anticipatory bail application. But she still has a legal option available to her. If she can approach Supreme Court and if at least she can get stay on the order of Gujarat High Court, then she can evade the arrest. But till then, it will be difficult for her to evade the arrest. Now, we had tried to call her on her cell phone. Her cell phone is switched off. We also tried to call Javed Anand on his cell phone. Even his cell phone is switched off.
All right.
So we'll have to see what course of action can be taken. One thing is clear that since morning, the Gujarat police was there at her residence since morning, anticipating order from the Gujarat High Court today. But nothing has happened at her residence yet.
Right.
They're keeping a close watch on her. Meanwhile, if she approaches Supreme Court and gets relief from there, then she can evade the arrest.
And Sahil, Teesta Setalvad continues to say that all these cases are politically motivated against her.
Yeah, that is the line which she has been taking since quite a long time, because the Gulbarg Society case she has been fighting since a very long time. In fact, one of the accused and with co-accused in this particular case is also Tanveer Jafri, whose father Ehsan Jafri, former Congress MP, was also killed in Gujarat riots and Gulbarg Society massacre. One of the residents had gone ahead and complained against them that they have misused the funds of around 1.51 crores which were supposed to be used for rehabilitation of the Gulbarg Society. But now, because what Teesta Settlewad has been saying is that because she has been fighting against the Gujarat government and the then Chief Minister Narendra Modi, she thinks that this is a case which is against her and politically motivated against her, and that's what she's trying to do at this point in time.
All right, Sahil, do stay on with us. We are also joined now by Kamlesh Sutar getting us more details on that case. Kamlesh, we understand that cops are already present at Teesta Settlwad's residence. Can you give us more details? Kamlesh, are you there with us? All right, we'll try and reconnect with Kamlesh Sutar in just a bit. We were giving you the latest update that cops have already arrived at Teesta Settlwad's residence and arrest seems imminent after Gujarat court has in fact rejected the anticipatory bail plea of Teesta Settlewad. Remember, she has been accused in this case of misappropriating funds that were meant for the victims of the Gulbarg Society case, that's riot victims of the 2002 riots that took place in the state. Teesta Settlewad has been championing the cause of the victims of 2002 riots and contended that these cases are all politically motivated against her and that she has not misappropriated or misused any of the funds. The accusation against her is of misappropriation of 1.51 crore rupees. Feroz Khan Pathan, the complainant in this case, is joining us on the phone line. Mr. Pathan, what was your complaint to the court specifically? Did you say that she and her husband alone are responsible for the misappropriation of funds? All right, that line seems to have got disconnected at the moment. We do know that cops are already at Teesta Settlwad's residence in Mumbai. This after the Gujarat High Court rejected the anticipatory bail plea of Teesta Settlewad and her husband Javed Anand in a case related to the alleged misappropriation of funds meant for the Gujarat riot victims. All right, we've reconnected with our correspondent Kamlesh Sutar. Kamlesh, we understand that at this point cops are already present at Teesta Settlewad's residence. Give us more details.
The case pertains to the embezzlement of funds that was alleged by her former Teesta Settlewad's former accountant Rais Khan, saying that the funds that were meant for the rehabilitation of the Gulbarg Society members the funds were misused for that, and a case was registered last year in this case. But Teesta Settlewad and her battery of lawyers have been saying that the allegations are politically motivated, and today the decision has the court ruled rejected Teesta Settlewad's anticipatory bail plea. Now this could sense trouble. We are getting more reports on that about the cops reaching Teesta Settlewad's house. So if it means that her anticipatory bail application is rejected, this would lead to pertinent arrest of Teesta Settlewad. Though her lawyers say they are still hopeful that they will try to avoid arrest, but we'll have to wait and watch what exactly conspires in next few moments.
Kamlesh, can you take us through what the court said as it rejected the anticipatory bail plea of Teesta Settlewad and her husband? Were there any observations made alongside? All right, it appears that there's some problem with the line there with Kamlesh Sutar. Of course, he's getting us the latest details of Teesta Settlewad's case. The Gujarat High Court having rejected an anticipatory bail plea for Teesta Settlewad and her husband Javed Anand in a case related to the alleged misappropriation of funds meant for the Gujarat riot victims. We also know at this point that Gujarat Crime Branch Police has left Teesta Settlewad's residence. Feroz Khan Pathan, the complainant in this case, is with us on the phone line again. Mr. Khan, आप हमें ये बता सकते हैं कि आपकी कंप्लेंट एग्जैक्टली थी क्या? क्या आपने ये कहा है कि तीस्ता सेतलवाद और उनके हस्बैंड ने अकेले ये फंड्स मिसअप्रोप्रिएट करे थे?
हाँ, इन्होंने करे थे। तीस्ता सेतलवाद और उसके हस्बैंड जावेद आनंद ने हमारे नाम पे पैसा इन्होंने उगराया था। दोनों है सबरंग ट्रस्ट और सीजेपी ट्रस्ट, तीस्ता सेतलवाद के ये दोनों।
तो मतलब आपको जो भी जो कॉम्पेंसेशन थी जो फंड्स
हाँ।
आपके लिए एलोकेट हुए थे उसमें से आपको कुछ हासिल नहीं हुआ, आपका कहना है?
हाँ नहीं, कुछ नहीं मिला था हमको। ये बताया था तीस्ता मैडम ने और ये लोग ने कहा था कि भाई हम गुलबर्ग को म्यूजियम बनाएंगे और 1 महीने में आपको बंगले का पैसा दे देंगे। फिर उसके बाद 1 महीने के अंदर इन्होंने हमको पैसा नहीं दिया और हमारे नाम पे लोग उगराते ही रहे। हाँ,
आपको ये कैसे पता है कि आपके नाम पर तीस्ता सेतलवाद और उनके हस्बैंड ने पैसे लिए थे?
हाँ, हमारे नाम पर ही इन्होंने पैसा लिया था।
ये फिरोज जी, आपको ये बात कहाँ से पता लगी है?
ये एक्चुअली मैंने कंप्लेन की थी कि हमारे नाम पर मैंने कहीं इनके आरटीआई करी थी। आरटीआई की कॉपी में मतलब पता चला हमारे नाम पर, गुलबर्ग सोसाइटी के नाम पर और फंड हमारा म्यूजियम बनाने के नाम पर इतना फंड लेके आए थे
जी।
और उसके बाद मैंने तीस्ता को नोटिस दी थी कि भाई जो फंड लेके आए उसके अंदर क्या है हमारे लिए, मतलब आप ना तो म्यूजियम बना रही हो ना पैसे दे रही हो हमारे नाम पर। फिर खुद मैडम ने कहा था कि मैं फंडिंग ले रही हूँ, मैं फंड लेती हूँ, अभी मैं आपको देती हूँ, अगले साल कराती हूँ, अगले साल कराती हूँ। इस तरह ही हमको भरोसे में रखा था इन्होंने। और फिर 2013 में इसने हमको बोला कि आप अपनी सोसाइटी आप बेच लो। फिर मैंने कंप्लेन दायर करी इसके ऊपर।
फिरोज जी, तीस्ता सेतलवाद का ये कहना है कि ये सारे केसेस राजनीतिक हैं।
नहीं, ये गलत बात है तीस्ता सेतलवाद की। ये तो हमारे नाम पे, पीड़ितों के नाम पे इतना करोड़ों अब्जों रुपए लेके आई है। आज भी हम लोग सोसाइटी के लोग 2-5 हजार रुपए के रेंट पे रह रहे हैं, मतलब हमारे पास भाड़ा नहीं है रहने का, और ये हमारे नाम पे ला रही है। इसने जो हमको कहा था कि मैं गुलबर्ग को म्यूजियम बनाऊंगी, आपका बंगला 1 महीने में ले लूंगी, आपका 40 लाख कीमत है मैं आपको दे दूंगी, वो इन्होंने नहीं दिया। और वो गुलबर्ग सोसाइटी में हर साल ये लोग बड़ा बड़ा प्रोग्राम किया करते थे, फॉरेन के अंदर सीडी भेजा करते थे, फोटो भेजा करते थे कि भाई ये गुलबर्ग को म्यूजियम बनाना है, इसके लिए हमको फंड दो, हम इनकी मदद करेंगे। कोई मदद नहीं करी, तो वो बेस पे कंप्लेन करी है। इसमें सरकार के कुछ लेना देना नहीं है।
फिरोज जी, क्या आपके साथ गुलबर्ग सोसाइटी के कोई और विक्टिम्स भी हैं जिन्होंने आपके साथ ये याचिका दायर की थी?
जी है ना, मेरे साथ काफी 10 लोग हैं, मतलब हम 10 बंगले वाले हैं, वो हम मेरे साथ है। सोसाइटी के 10 मेंबर हमारे साथ है। हम 11 मेंबरों ने कंप्लेन की है।
और आज कोर्ट ने एग्जैक्टली क्या बोला है?
कोर्ट ने ये कहा है मतलब कि ये जो है सोसाइटी में रियल में पैसा आप लाई हो, इनके नाम पर ही लाई हो, और ना इन्वेस्टिगेशन क्राइम ब्रांच को ये साकार दे रहे हैं, मतलब पूछपरछ में भी कुछ सपोर्ट नहीं है, उस बेस पे रिजेक्ट करा है। और धर पकड़ करो, मतलब अरेस्ट करो।
फिरोज जी, गुलबर्ग सोसाइटी के कोई ऐसे विक्टिम्स थे जिनको कॉम्पेंसेशन या इसमें से फंड्स मिले हो, कि आप 11 लोग अकेले ऐसे थे जिनको कुछ नहीं हासिल हुआ?
नहीं, पूरे गुजरात के जितने भी विक्टिम है, मतलब पूरे गुजरात के जितने कांडों की, मतलब पूरे गुजरात में ओड आ गया, सरदारपुर आ गया, नरोडा पार्टी आ गया, नरोडा आ गया, गुलबर्ग आ गया, सभी लोग में से किसी को भी पूछे, कोई को मदद नहीं की गई। उनको सिर्फ भरोसा दिलाया गया है कि भाई आपको हम पैसा देंगे, आपको हम सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट में, कांग्रेस थी जब, आपको हम सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट में नौकरी कर देंगे। इस तरह की हम लोग ने सुप्रीम कोर्ट में याचिका दायर करी है, ये करिए वो करिए, मतलब सिर्फ भरोसा दिलाया गया।
आप कौन से एरिया को बिलोंग करते हैं? आप कह रहे हैं कि ये याचिका ये यथा बहुत सारे लोगों की है, बहुत सारे लोगों ने ऐसा बोला है कि उनको कॉम्पेंसेशन नहीं मिल पाया है। आप क्या स्पेसिफिकली गुलबर्ग सोसाइटी की बात कर रहे हैं इस केस में?
हाँ, गुलबर्ग सोसाइटी की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं। गुलबर्ग सोसाइटी सब, बाकी एक्चुअली मेरे साथ दूसरे नरोडा वाले भी है जिनका क्राइम ब्रांच ने स्टेटमेंट लिया है, फिर ओडगाम वाले भी है, वो सबको ही मतलब गुलबर्ग सोसाइटी में बुलाया जाता था, पूरे दंगे पीड़ितों को बुलाया जाता था वहाँ, फिर उनकी मूवी उतारी जाती थी। और बेसिकली गुलबर्ग सोसाइटी को म्यूजियम बनाने का और पूरे दंगा पीड़ितों को लेके नहीं ये सब पैसा उगराया है इन्होंने।
फिरोज जी, हमसे बात करने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। दैट वाज फिरोज खान पठान alleging that Teesta Setalwad has misappropriated funds that were meant for the victims of Gulbarg Society to the tune of 1.51 crore rupees, and he along with 10 other people had filed that case. Today an anticipatory bail plea for Teesta Setalwad and her husband Javed Anand was rejected by the Gujarat High Court.